Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2818 pertains to a malfunction with the shift solenoid valve output, specifically indicating that it is stuck in the on position. This diagnostic trouble code is relevant to the 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic models, particularly impacting the vehicle's transmission system. The role of the shift solenoid valve is crucial for regulating the transmission fluid pump's volume by controlling whether it is opened or closed. This process is directed by the transmission control module, also known as the TCM, which communicates necessary commands to manage the vehicle's power delivery. When the valve is stuck on, it prevents the proper functioning of the transmission, leading to performance issues. Understanding this error code is essential for the effective troubleshooting and maintenance of the vehicle. The shift solenoid valve output, OP, is a key component of the Honda Civic's continuously variable transmission system that regulates how the transmission fluid pump operates. Specifically, this solenoid controls the drain circuit, dictating whether it is open or closed based on commands from the transmission control module, or TCM. The TCM sends these on-off commands to alter the pump's volume, thus managing the driven pulley pressure within certain parameters. This valve is typically found adjacent to the transmission unit. When the solenoid is functioning correctly, it allows fluid pressure to vary, which is crucial for optimal shifts and vehicle performance. However, when the solenoid is stuck in the on position, it creates a scenario where the system cannot relieve pressure as needed, leading to various operational issues. The potential causes for diagnosing DTC P2818 primarily center around the shift solenoid valve, OP, being stuck in the on position. This issue could stem from mechanical failure within the solenoid itself, which may have experienced wear or damage. Another possibility includes faults within the transmission control module, or TCM, that could result in incorrect signals being sent to the shift solenoid. Furthermore, irregularities in fluid pressure could also indicate problems in the circuit, leading to the solenoid being unable to switch off as required. Each of these causes needs to be examined thoroughly during the diagnostic process to identify the root of the malfunction. Symptoms associated with DTC P2818 can severely affect driving experience and vehicle performance. One noticeable symptom is poor transmission performance, where the driver may feel hesitations, unusual shifts, or even a complete failure to switch gears. Another clear indication is a blinking shift position indicator, alerting the driver to the detected malfunction within the system. Additionally, delayed response in shifting could be observed, where the vehicle fails to engage gears properly, especially when attempting to accelerate. Understanding these symptoms can provide valuable insights into the operational integrity of the vehicle's transmission system, ultimately leading to more effective repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2818 involves starting the engine of the Honda Civic and observing its performance characteristics. Ensure the engine runs smoothly, without any irregular idle or noticeable stumbling, as these could be signs of unrelated issues. Simultaneously, keep an eye on the dashboard for any warning lights, particularly the check engine light, which signifies ongoing malfunctions within the vehicle's systems. This initial assessment is crucial because it sets the stage for further diagnostic work. If the engine displays issues at this stage, they may need addressing before delving deeper into solenoid-specific diagnostics. Take note of any unusual noises or vibrations, as they could indicate larger problems. In the second step, the focus is on the shift lever. With the brake pedal firmly pressed, shift from the N or neutral position to the D or drive position. This action is essential for testing the communication and response of the transmission control module to the shift solenoid valve outputs. While performing this step, It is crucial to monitor how the transmission responds to this shift. Any anomalies, such as a delayed engagement or the car not moving forward when shifting, could indicate issues with the solenoid or TCM. Testing the shift lever under controlled conditions assists in diagnosing whether the problem lies rooted in the solenoid operation or further up in the transmission system. After successfully shifting into drive, the third troubleshooting step is to gradually accelerate the vehicle to 25 miles per hour, or approximately 40 kilometers per hour. During this process, it's crucial to observe the response of the vehicle's transmission, specifically how it shifts through the different gears. Moreover, utilizing diagnostic tools to check the driven pulley pressure during acceleration can provide valuable data to confirm whether the pressure is fluctuating within expected parameters or remains static. If the pressure fails to change as it should, this could clearly indicate that the shift solenoid valve OP is stuck in the on position, further validating the DTC. Identifying how the systems communicate under these conditions aids in isolating the issue effectively. The final troubleshooting step involves stopping the vehicle and allowing it to remain stationary for a minimum of 10 seconds. This pause is crucial for enabling the TCM to reset certain parameters and for the completion of any calculations it is making regarding the shift solenoid operation. Once the 10 seconds elapse, proceed to repeat the driving pattern previously established in the earlier steps, observing any changes in vehicle behavior, especially in terms of how the transmission operates and whether there are fluctuations in the shift pattern or indicator changes, can provide additional insights into the ongoing issues. Analyzing these results assists in confirming whether the DTC persists under repeated conditions, crucial for thorough diagnostics. After following the troubleshooting steps, it is essential to verify the repair effectively. Begin by using a scan tool to clear the DTC from the TCM's memory, ensuring that the adjustments made to the shift solenoid and any other correlated components are firmly established. Following the DTC clearance, conduct a test drive under similar conditions that previously triggered the fault. This drive should monitor engine performance, the responsiveness of the transmission, and specifically watch for any recurrence of warning lights or behavior consistent with DTC P2818. If the code does not return after rigorous observation, it can be inferred that the issue has been resolved. Proper verification is vital to ensuring that the vehicle remains in optimal operating condition. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in avoiding issues related to DTC P2818, particularly concerning the shift solenoid valve. Regular checks of the transmission fluid should be conducted to ensure levels are within the manufacturer's specified range and the fluid isn't contaminated. This can help maintain the integrity of the transmission's operation. Additionally, timely inspections of the solenoid and related components can spot wear before it leads to a malfunction. It is also advisable to keep the transmission control module's firmware updated, as advancements may provide improvements in how the module manages solenoids, pressure, and overall system performance. By implementing this preventive strategy, potential failures can be caught early, enhancing the reliability and longevity of the vehicle's transmission. Understanding DTC P2818 is crucial for diagnosing and maintaining the Honda Civics transmission system effectively. This code indicates that the shift solenoid valve OP is stuck in the on position, leading to potential performance issues. By following the precise troubleshooting steps outlined, technicians can systematically address the underlying causes, from initial checks to in-depth functional tests. Verification of repairs ensures that the issue has truly been resolved and that the vehicle operates as intended. Ultimately, Maintaining awareness of these systems and implementing preventive measures will not only extend the vehicle's lifespan, but enhance overall driving safety and enjoyment. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.